Yeah. Hey, what's up, you guys? So, like, check this out. I have a 2000 Chevy Astro van. Doesn't start. There's no check engine light on it. I've checked all the fuses, relays, the distributor cap, all the bullshit, everything you could think of, because that's what everybody talks about. But I remember I had this problem on my Honda, which is the camshaft sensor, I believe. Yeah, camshaft sensor. So I'm gonna show you guys where it's at. Some of you guys probably know where it's at. It's a little tricky. I had a little hard time trying to find mine. Mine's actually, if I could get the flashlight on. Well, it is, where did I just seen it? It's somewhere right here under all this gunk. Right there. So I'm gonna change it out and see what the van does. Okay guys, so look, I changed it out, but I also noticed, excuse the chickens next door, you can see the wires. Let's see if I could, where is it at? You can see the wires were exposed and fucking beat up, so I gotta change the harness, but I'm gonna see what it does. If it at least turns on, and see. The sensor was bad outside of the wires that were all corroded, but no contact. But maybe the battery's low from all the cranking and shit, but I don't know. I'll mess with it later, but hopefully it's the wires.